back to Basics in Education. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus and most important questions related to Major Sociology BG 4th semester Indian Society Structure and Change. Firstly, let's have a look on the syllabus. In syllabus of theory portion, you have three units. Unit 1 is Introducing Indian Society, Evolution of Indian Society, Composition of Indian Society, Regional, Linguistic and Religious Diversity, Unity in Diversity. Unit 2 is Caste System, and in this unit you have to study caste system, nature and features. Then Varna and Jati, Theories of Caste System, Reservation Policy and Dalit Assertion. Then Unit 3 is Process of Social Change in Modern India. In this unit you have to study Sanskritization, Islamization, Westernization, Modernization. Now, some important questions from unit first include: what are the key factors that have contributed to the evolution of Indian society? Question number second: how does regional, linguistic and religious diversity shape the composition of Indian society? What are the mechanisms that promote unity in diversity in Indian society? Question number 4: how has Indian society changed over time and what are the significant milestones in its evolution? Question number 5: what role do social institutions play in shaping Indian society? Important questions from unit 2 include: question number 1: what are the defining features of the caste system in India and how does it function? How do Varna and Jati relate to the caste system and what are their differences? Question number 3: what are the major theories that explain the origin and persistence of the caste system? Question number 4: how has the reservation policy impacted the caste system and Dalit assertion? Question number 5: what are the challenges and limitations of the reservation policy in addressing caste-based inequality? Now, the most important questions from Unit 3 include: question number 1: what is Sanskritization and how has it influenced social change in India? Question number 2: how has Islamization shaped social and cultural practices in India? Question number 3: what are the key drivers and consequences of modernization in India? Question number 4: how has Westernization impacted Indian culture and society? Question number 5: what are the tensions and conflicts that arise from the interplay of these processes of social change? That is all. Thanks for listening to me. May God bless you all.